Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. 12 services, has done 96,000 miles by its 2 owners from new. Cam belt and water pump replaced at 71,000 miles. Freelander 2.2 TD4 HSE automatic 4-wheel drive. £8,895. Beautiful car. Is that Orkney grey? Anyway, metallic grey, black leather. 96,000 miles. Serviced at 13, 25, 33, 40, 50, 57, 63, 67, 71, 76, 83 and 93,000 miles. As I say, now done 96, 8895. Pirelli Scorpion tyres, beautiful condition. Got the wind deflectors, got DAB digital radio on top of its normal HSE spec, and a full-size alloy spare wheel with another Pirelli Scorpion. So 5 beautiful Pirelli Scorpion tyres. Always good to see people putting, the best, very expensive tyres on their cars. Comes with 2 keys, so privacy glass, wind deflectors around the windows, running boards. A little spoiler up on top of the tailgate, front and rear park sensors. Immaculate alloy wheels and Pirelli Scorpions with lots and lots of tread on, like new. Not covered in stone chips, grills not gone tatty, front fog lamps, front park sensors. There's the wind deflectors around the tops of the windows. Inside, fitted rubber mats, black leather, Alpine stereo, heated seats, electric seats, panoramic roofs. Front one tilts and slides and opens, rear one's fixed, both have manual sunshades. Leather steering wheel, cruise control, answer your phone because this has got Bluetooth, and it has a DAB radio module upgrade from Land Rover, ordered when new. Heated seats, obviously automatic gearbox. Superb condition throughout. Fitted rubber mats are there in the back. Back seats in beautiful condition. Lovely car. Original paintwork, no dents, no scratches. In the boot, load cover, spotless in this boot, absolutely spotless. Lovely. Full-size alloy spare wheel, Pirelli Scorpion tyre, that was an optional extra. Jack wheel brace, wheel locking key, all present and correct. This side of the car, more Pirelli Scorpions, more immaculate wheels, more lovely paintwork. The more you look at this car, the nicer it gets. Remember, 13 services, cam belt replaced. Just driven it, climate control, aircon, freezing cold. Drives beautiful. Alpine stereo, automatic lights, leather steering wheel, light new. 96,700 miles. Satellite navigation, DAB radio, which wasn't standard on this year, had to pay for it. Bluetooth for your phone. Electric memory driver seat, front and rear park sensors. Beautiful thing. Fitted mats. 2 keys. MOT'd until the 23rd of September 2026 with no advisories. 8,895. A really pretty, please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other vehicles in stock. That's our website. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. There'll be lots of Freelanders. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then Barclay Motor Company 5243, then you would get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You would be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today.